So on Freelander 1, those plugs getting rusty. So what Land Rover done is, so that's causing engine running bad. What Land Rover done is supplying new loom, upgraded loom. This one got EGR deleted as well, but they supplying new loom, putting this loom back on, and what you drilling hole in a fuse box, you're putting new loom in there. So new loom is going to the fuse box underneath existing loom. Here, nice watertight connection. That's the original loom, and basically old loom. That's old loom. It's not connected, and new loom is going back to basically plugs. So we'll put everything back on. We build plugs, connect ECU, and that is fixed.